Quicktron FlowZone Safeguard System. Maintenance staff wearing Quicktron SafeGo Vest head to the safety gate for entry and tag activation. Crew tag activated, FlowZone Safeguard System initiates personnel protection. Safety gate unlocked, operator enters confined zone. Operator locks safety gate from the inside. AGV enters detection zone and automatically decelerates to a stop. AGVs exit detection zone and automatically resume after 5 seconds. AGVs outside detection zone remain unaffected and continue normal operation. Upon operator exit, AGVs entering the detection zone proactively decelerate and stop in advance. AGV resumes automatically in 5s after operator departure. Crew tag low battery alert, vibrates, beeps, and red LED flashes. Evacuate confined area immediately, proceed to safety gate and unlock it. Lock the door after exiting, then restore the safety gate to normal operation. Head to the designated location to deregister crew tag.